like to describe our household as joyous chaos. Our sons bring us a tremendous amount of joy, and I don't think we would have it any other way. All three of our kids are Sutter babies. Most recently, our twins, Miles and Walter.
When our oldest son, Bruce, turned 4, it was pretty soon thereafter that we found out we were pregnant with twins.
We were surprised, just rejiggering what we thought our plans were. Having twins, especially after 35, is considered high risk. We knew that maybe it wouldn't be quite of a smooth pregnancy as we had had with Bruce. What was most important was that we selected a hospital that had the best NICU around, period. We selected a Sutter hospital based on their reputation and their level of care.
We certainly hoped for the best, but we prepared for the worst if they happened to be early.
I had a difficult pregnancy. We had some complications throughout. Miles and Walter did not go full term. They were born about 26 weeks.
They weighed just over 2 pounds when they were born.
This was your first diaper, and it was too big for you.
They stayed in the hospital for 69 days.
I had basic questions about whether a child could even survive at that age. It was really tough. We were really terrified, but in the back of our mind, there was nowhere else we'd rather be. We knew that any level of treatment they were going to need, they could get right where we were.
The care was incredibly personalized.
They were very helpful in teaching us how to hold them, teaching us how we could involve our oldest son, who would come into the hospital lots of times. They made him a little name tag. He learned to wash his hands.
Miles, look at your footprints. They're so little.
Our care at Sutter was like no care I've ever experienced. They cared about Walter and Miles as if they were their own. Walter and Miles are 18 months, and they are doing amazing. And they're silly, and they're fun, and they're joyful.
When I see the boys playing together now, I honestly just feel a rush of appreciation. To be where we are now, knowing what a long journey it was to get here.
There are no days that go by that I don't feel grateful. Miles came at 11:58 on February 28th, and Walter was born 12:09 a.m. on February 29th, which is a leap day.
They were born 11 minutes apart, but their birthdays are 4 years apart. So every 4 years when Walter has a birthday, we're gonna throw the biggest blowout birthday.
We're just a regular old family. As crazy and as chaotic as things are, I think we just experience a lot of joy in the moments that happen day in and day out. They're so healthy, and they will forever be Sutter babies.